Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see how to write the nth term of an AP. In my previous video, we have seen about the introduction to the arithmetic progression. So if you want to watch that, there is a link in the description box below. You can check that out. Now let's see how to write the nth term of an AP, which is given by Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where d is your common difference. So now let's see how did we get this Tn. So we have a theorem which states if the first term of an AP is a and its common difference is d, then show that its nth term is given by Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So how to do this? So it says in an AP we have the first term a and its common difference is d. So let's write in the given AP we have first term is equal to a and common difference is equal to d. Know the general form of AP is given as, so general form of AP is given as AP is a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d and so on, right? So in this AP we have first term which is denoted as T1, which is equal to, here T1 is a, so a can be written as a plus 1 minus 1 into d. Agreed? 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 into d is 0, so we are left with a, so a is equal to a, right? So the second term T2 is equal to, here the second term is a plus d, which is equal to a plus, so 2 minus 1 will give you 1, so 1 into d will be d. So your second term is equal to a plus 1 into d, so 1d, which is equal to a plus d, right? Similarly, if you see the third term, so T3 is equal to, here the third term is a plus 2d. So how can we write a plus 2d as? So a plus 3 minus 1 will give you 2, right? So here 2 into d will give you a plus 2d, right? So a plus 2d can be written as a plus 3 minus 1 into d. So similarly you can write for T4, T5 and so on, right? Now if you see for Tn, that is your nth term. How can we write for the nth term? A plus, so if you see this equation, we have 3 minus 1 into d, right? Where 3 is nothing but the third term. Similarly in this case, we have to write here n, that is the nth term, right? So nth term minus 1 into d. So hence Tn is given as a plus n minus 1 into d, right? Hence the proof. Now let's see how to find the nth term of an AP in an example. So now let's see this example. We have find the nth term and 20th term of an AP 9, 13, 17, 21 and so on. So now first let's write this AP. We have 9, 13, 17, 21 and so on, right? So here A is your first term, that is 9. So here common difference is 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9 will give you 4, right? Similarly 17 minus 13, 17 minus 13 will also give you 4, right? 21 minus 17 will also give you 4. So the common difference is 4. So here they asked to find the nth term. So nth term is given by Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here a is the first term. In this case the first term is 9 plus n minus 1 into D is common difference, that is your 4, right? Which is equal to 9 plus 4n minus 4 ones are 4, which is equal to 4n plus 9 and minus 4 will give you plus 5. So your nth term is 4n plus 5. And they have asked the 20th term as well. So let's find T20, which is nothing but your 20th term. So T20 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, which is equal to A is your first term. Here the first term is 9 plus n is 20. We want the 20th term, right? So n is 20. So 20 minus 1 and your common difference is 4, right? Which is equal to 9 plus 20 into 4. So 4 zeros are 0, 4 twos are 8 minus 4 ones are 4. So 80 plus 9 will give you 89 minus 4 will give you 85, right? So your 20th term is 85. We will see one more example. Now let's see this example. Here it says find the 105th term of AP, where AP is given as 4, 4 and a half, 5, 5 and a half, 6 and so on. First let's write this AP. So 4, 4 and a half, 5, 5 and a half, 6 and so on, right? So this AP can be written as 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9 by 2, so 4 and a half can be written as 9 by 2, 5, similarly 5 and a half can be written as 5 twos are 10 plus 1, that is 11 by 2, right? And 6 and so on, right? So now your A is the first term, that is 4, and common difference is 9 by 2 minus 4. So 9 by 2 minus 4. Here we will take LCM. 2 is a LCM. So 9 minus 4 twos are 8, which will give you 1 by 2. Right? Now let's check for 9 by 2 and 5. So common difference is 5 minus 9 by 2. Right? So LCM is 2. 5 twos are 10 minus 9, which will give you 1 by 2. So the common difference is half, right? So they have asked us to find 105th term. So T of 105 is equal to find the nth term, we have an equation Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, right? So in this case A is 4 plus n here is 105 minus 1 into D is half, right? Which is equal to 4 plus 105 minus 1 will give you 104 by 2, right? So 2 ones are 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. So we have 4 plus 52 will give you 56. So your T105, so 105th term is 56. Now let's see how to find the nth term from the end of an AP. So nth term from the end is given by L minus n minus 1 into D, where L is nothing but your last term of an AP and your D is common difference. Now let's see one example. Now let's see this example. Here it says find the 11th term from the end of the AP, where AP is given as 10, 7, 4 and so on till minus 62. So what do you mean by 11th term from the end of the AP? That means from the end of the AP, this is your first term. Just before to this number will be your second term. And the number which is just before to the second term will be your third term, right? And so on. Like that, you have to find the 11th term. So how can we do that? So we have a formula here. To find the nth term from the end is given by L minus n minus 1 into D, right? So we will apply this formula. Before applying this formula, we want D here. So let's find the common difference here. So common difference is equal to 7 minus 10. So 7 minus 10 will give you minus 3. Similarly for 7 and 4, we have 4 minus 7 is equal to minus 3, right? So your common difference is minus 3. Now let's apply this formula. we have nth term from the end. Here the n is 11. So 11th term from the end is given by L minus n minus 1 into D. Here L is your last term, which is nothing but minus 62 minus n is 11 minus 1 into D is minus 3, right? Which is nothing but minus 62 minus 11 minus 1 is 10, 10 into minus 3, which is nothing but minus 62 minus of minus is plus, 10 into 3 is 30. So minus 62 plus 30 will give you minus 32. So your 11th term from the end is minus 32. This is it in this video. I hope you understood how to find the nth term and nth term from the end of an AP. So if you did, do hit the like button and share it with your friends. See you soon. Till then, take care. Almighty bless.